Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Jennifer, and today we're going to talk about one of the most important questions for every English learner.
How to improve your English every single day, even if you only have a few minutes to practice. You don't need to spend hours studying grammar or memorizing long word lists.
Instead, I'm going to show you simple, practical strategies that fit into your daily life and help you improve step by step
so that in just a few weeks, you will notice real progress in your English skills. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon
so you never miss these easy tips that will help you become more confident and fluent in English. Let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel frustrated because you study English for a long time but don't see any improvement? Or you understand a lot when reading or listening but struggle to speak naturally, Polly? If that sounds like you, don't worry. Today, I'm going to share 5 detailed steps that you can do every day, even for just 10-15 minutes, that will gradually improve your English speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. The first and most important step is to make English a part of your daily routine, because learning English,
it's not about studying once in a while, it's about consistent daily practice. Start with small, realistic goals. Even 10 to 15 minutes per day is enough if you do it consistently. Incorporate English into your daily activities. For example, when making breakfast, describe what you are doing in English in Barish. I am cutting vegetables for my salad. I am pouring coffee into my cup. Use reminders or set a fixed time each day to practice, such as during your commute,
breakfast, or before going to bed. Keep it fun and interesting by choosing activities you enjoy, like watching a short English video, reading a news article, or listening to a song in English. When you make English a daily habit, your brain starts associating it with your normal life, and learning becomes easier, faster, and much more enjoyable. Step 2 is all about reading and listening, because improving your English requires exposure to the language in real situations, not just memorizing words pause. Choose materials that match your level. Beginners can start with short stories, news headlines, or simple podcasts. When reading, try to understand the meaning from context rather than translating every word. Highlight or write down new words to review later. When listening, focus on pronunciation, intonation, and the way native speakers connect words. Repeat or shadow sentences aloud to practice natural speaking rhythm.
Even if you don't understand every word at first, by reading and listening every day, your vocabulary grows naturally, your comprehension improves,
and your brain becomes used to English patterns, which makes speaking much easier over time. The third step is practicing active English, which means speaking and writing, because understanding English is one thing, but using it actively is what makes you fluent.
Speak to yourself about what you are doing or thinking. I am making coffee. I am planning my day.
Write short sentences or a mini diary in English every day. For example, write 3 to 5 sentences about your day, your goals, or your feelings. Don't worry about mistakes, pro. The key is to practice and improve gradually.
If possible, find a language partner or online tutor to get feedback on your speaking and writing.
When you use English actively every day, your brain strengthens the connection between words and actions, which leads to faster thinking, more confidence, and better fluency. Step 4 is about slow, consistent improvement in vocabulary and grammar, because learning too much too fast can be overwhelming and even discouraging. Focus on a few words or 1 grammar point per day instead of trying to learn everything at once. Use the new words and grammar in sentences immediately so they stick in your memory. Review old words and grammar regularly to keep them fresh in your mind. Use tools like flashcards, apps, or notebooks to track your progress and make learning visible to you. By learning slowly and using what you learn every day, you gradually build a strong foundation that allows you to communicate naturally without fear or hesitation. The final step is reflection and review. It's easy to focus only on what you cannot do yet, but celebrating small Progress is essential for motivation and confidence.
At the end of each day, take 1 or 2 minutes to think about what you learned or what you were able to say in English today.
Keep a notebook or journal to write down new words, sentences, or expressions you used successfully. Reward yourself for consistency, no matter how small the progress. Even one sentence spoken correctly is a win. Reflecting and reviewing your daily practice helps you see improvement, builds confidence, and keeps you motivated to continue learning every day. If you follow these 5 steps, Purdue, making English a daily habit, reading and listening every day, speaking and writing actively, learning vocabulary and grammar slowly, and reflecting on your progress periods, you will notice significant improvement in your English in just a few weeks. Comment below, what is one small thing you are going to do today to improve your English? I'll check your comments and give feedback. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more practical English tips you can use every day.
Thanks for watching, and remember, tip, improving your English every day, even a little bit, will make a huge difference over time. See you in the next video.